Guys, we're doing special pork loin today. So it is wrapped in bacon, but also stuffed with some sausage, sweet sausage. So, got the charcoal on there. There's a storm coming again. So, probably gonna run this at about, I don't know, close to 300, maybe a little higher. So let me get this up to temp, and we'll be right back. All right, here's our pork loin. Let me show you. See what I tell you? Wrapped in bacon, stuffed with sausage. Man, this thing's gonna be great. So we're about at the temp here. About 311 looks like on the digital. And this is a little bit lower just because the digital is right on the grate, and this is up higher, so you're going to see different temps. So I'm just going to plop this right on, right in the center. And I put a little bit of this on there, sweet rub of mine. Tried that on some ribs this past weekend. It was pretty good. So let me shut this so it doesn't get away from us. And away we go. I'm not going to worry about the probe yet for the meat. We'll put that in a little while. But I'm going to let this go at least. I'll let it go about a half hour or so. See where we're at. I'll put the probe in, and we'll go from there. So, now this one we'll probably get about 5 slices out of. Perfect for our family. So I'm going to keep an eye on the temps since we just fired it up. I didn't let it settle in really, but this storm looks like it's pretty crazy, and it's going to last a while. So I'm hoping to get this done before that comes in. So the temps go up a little bit, 350-ish or so. I don't mind. We want to get to internal temp of about 145, 140, 145. Let it rest about 15 minutes, let it come up a little bit more, and then we'll cut into it. So we'll see in about a half hour or so. All right, it's been about a half hour. Let's go ahead and, whoa, we're looking good. Now, I think earlier I might have mentioned that we were looking at, we're going to pull it about 145. However, it has the ground sausage in there. And I believe ground sausage, you want to be 160. So we may pull it around 155, 156, something like that. And we'll see how it goes. But yeah, the pit's been running about 350, 360 so far. And once we get a reading, looks like it's about 70 degrees inside the meat. So up 65. So this is going to take a little longer. We're not going to beat the storm. We got a thunderstorm coming. It's going to hit here in about a half hour. So hopefully it's not that long. Just work through it and pull it off after. Here we go. All right, guys. It's been in there a little over an hour. What I want to do is throw some little barbecue on it. And I've never tried this before. Tastes pretty good. Yeah, so this is Blooming Glenn barbecue sauce. It's actually where I got the pork loin. So just gonna put a little on there. Just to give it a little nice flavor. And I wanted to do this before it started raining, but it's already raining. I think the meat we're up to about put a little bit more. I think the meat we're up to about 117, 118. So there we go. That's all I wanted to do. So now that it's raining, I'm gonna continue watching from inside. Alright guys, we are done. Let me go ahead and move you a little bit so I can get in there. Still raining. Let me get a thing to grab it. Look at that. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna shut this down and reuse those tomorrow. And let me give you a quick look at this. Look at that. So I'm gonna wrap it and then let it sit for about 15 minutes. Just like that. Then we'll cut it open and see how it is. All right, here we go. Let's unwrap it and see what we have. Look at that. That is crazy. All right, let me take it out. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Just like that. We'll save those juices because probably use them. All right, let's go ahead and cut it and see what it looks like. I'm gonna cut it right in the middle. Ooh, that is hot. Look at that. Nice. Let's go ahead and cut some slices. And just a note, the baker's twine is still on here. Just cut that right off. So let me cut a slice here and we'll test it. Nice. Move these off to the side. And I'm just gonna kind of cut a bite here. It has everything in it. And this is hot. Mmm. Tastes great with the bacon, the sausage. It fixes up the plain old pork loin. Perfect. So try this at home and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. See you later.